20 colloquial English words. 1. Wanna. Want to. 2. Gonna. Going to. 3. Kinda. Kind of. 4. Gotta. Got to. 5. Y'all. You all, typically used in southern U.S. dialect. 6. Ain't. Contraction of am not, is not, are not, has not, or have not. 7. Dude. Informal term for a person, can be used for both genders. 8. Hang out. Spend time together casually. 9. Chill. Relax or take it easy. 10. Outta. Out of. 11. 'Cause. Short for, because. 12. Lotta. A lot of. 13. Fella. Informal term for a man. 14. Gossip. Engage in casual conversation or share rumors. 15. Gigs. Jobs or performances. 16. Laid back. Relaxed or easygoing. 17. Craving. Strong desire or longing for something. 18. Cram. Study intensively for a short period of time. 19. Sneak peek. A glimpse or preview of something. 20. Bummer. Disappointing or unfortunate situation. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!